Okay, so hi guys, welcome to Tim's Life. Today, we just went on a Nerf hunt to find some Nerf bullets. Do you have one more that I can use? And, thank you. We are going to play some Nerf War with my mother, who just got scared. So, yes, we are the girls' team, and my brother is the boys' team. Okay, so let's get started. Mom, trade me guns.
No!
Yeah, I like this one better.
Of course you do, because it has more bullets.
No, it's just funner. Pull this. I like hitting in the middle of the acre load.
Don't do that, that's cheating.
Hey, oh.
I only have 2 more bullets!
Oh, why did it shoot?
That hole doesn't work.
Oh, yeah, it does.
I only have 1 more bullet.
Oh,
I'm out! I need to find some. I need to find some. I'm out. I'm out. I need to find some. Emma. Thank you.
I don't have any more bullets.
Did you say I don't have any more butts?
Bullets. Okay.
Why is it not working?
Oh. Ah! Oh! Don't pop I've been shot.
You know you've been recorded this whole entire time.
Oh! I got you!
I need more bullets! Okay, now it's time to switch Nerf guns.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
This is fun, Mommy, why?
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Usually I wait till he's up shooting us and then I shoot him.
I don't want to shoot him in the head.
That's horrible.
Are you okay?
Oh, he's getting revenge. We have cover. We have shelter. We have shelter. Mom, go like this.
Stop! Stop!
I'm taking shelter. I'm taking shelter. Oh, I took shelter right here. You can't see me, but I just took shelter.
I don't have any more bullets.
I don't either.
Oh, thanks.
You can see me. Okay,
Don't kick me.
Mommy, take shelter. I'll take it from here.
No. I want to do this. Zach.
Okay, I need more bullets. I don't know where any of them are.
Emma, here's a bullet.
I got one.
Now we need to go on another bear hunt for bullets.
Ah!
Ow! Go on another bear hunt for bullets.
Ah! I mean, you're recording and it's not recording anything.
I know.
Oh, man!
Haha, I got you.
Mommy, here's some for us.
Look.
Okay.
I don't want to shoot you in your face. Zach,
That's what it's all about.
stand up and let me shoot your arm or something. Stand up and let me shoot your arm.
That just sounds wrong for a mother to say.
Zach, I don't want to shoot him in his beautiful face.
It's handsome, not beautiful.
Handsome, his handsome face. Sorry.
That's just weird.
Zach. Oh, Zachary. Oh!
This is so fun. wish we would do this every day. Here's another.
Ah!
Here's another.
I
photo.
have one. I have one.
I know, but here, look. You can
Oh!
look. You can put stuff right here, and then you can just switch it out.
Oh! Darn it! Don't break his balloon.
I'm trying not to. Wait, I need this.
This is fun.
This is fun. No one's fighting me.
Yeah?
You almost hit him in the head.
That's what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm aiming for, Mom.
You have more of an advantage. You're able to lie down. We cannot lie down over here.
I can.
Well, because you're little. Zach. Oh! 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 Darn!
Yeah, but look what we can do.
What'd you do?
I
Grab some bullets. Hey, grab some bullets. Wait, you're about to knock my phone over.
I need some bullets.
Watch out. Oh my gosh. Here, watch out. Give me these. Give me these. Reload.
Okay, so now, we are shooting again.
Oh, stop.
When he screams, he means revenge. When he screams, he means revenge.
Oh, thank you.
That's normally what I
I'm
do.
scared of that zombie one. I am scared of that.
It makes such a loud
That
noise.
thing hurts. You shot me in the ankle last night and it hurts.
What if we weren't recording anything and it didn't even start recording?
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay. How many minutes?
7.
Oh, wow. That goes by fast.
Yeah.
Don't! You're going to get shot in the eye. Oh. Oh, man. I don't have any more.
Here.
I got one.
Okay. I got one. I'm scared of that one. Ah! She is using the blanket to protect her. She is using the blanket This is the funniest moment of my life. Rest in peace, headphone users. Rest in peace. I'm sorry, headphone users. Oh!
Oh, I'm laying in the middle of the bed. Oh. If you
Am
don't
I
have-
out?
Yeah, you're out.
I'm out. No, I need to go in a bear hut. No, give me some. Hey, you're just like putting your whole butt in my face.
Dun, 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 dun. Come on.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take my shoes
Okay.
off.
Finish up. Let's finish up. Oh.
No, let's not finish up. This is way too fun to finish
Yeah,
up.
we only like, I don't want to make it longer than 10 minutes.
No, it can go to 15. It landed in my hair.
Oh.
This is so horrible for a mom to point a gun at her son.
Yeah, not good. These are Nerf guns, though.
Still a gun. And it went all the way back over there.
I don't have any more bullets.
Here you go. I'll go on a bear hunt for us. Oh, here you go.
Oh. What if I shot you right in the butt?
No, no.
Oh, that would be funny.
No, it wouldn't. It would be terrible for me. No, he's gonna point to shoot me. He's gonna I love his laugh. It's so funny.
Oh, I got your hand.
Oh yeah, I'm getting face.
Ah! No. No faces allowed.
Yeah, because you shot me in the neck right here. I have an extra one.
Oh, thanks. Oh. They're bouncing. Ah! Ah!
I'm trying to aim for his head.
No, hit him in the head. Don't hit him in the head.
That one!
Oh, got you right in the chest.
What were you about to say? No! I'm out! I need to go on a bear hunt.
Here.
No, I'm fine. I need to go on a bear hunt again.
You mean a
Nerf hunt?
Nerf hunt? Zach! Don't you dare!
Shit, your mother. Okay. Can you be on my team, Emma?
Look, Zach.
No, team.
Are you scared
Emma,
now?
Mommy, Emma, Emma, me versus mommy. What is mommy?
That is so not fair. Well, then you're gonna have to come over here, Zach.
Okay.
No, I want to stay over here with you.
Oh, give him a teammate. Then let me be on his team.
Okay. But I get 2 guns.
Mommy,
The one who's by
Mommy
itself
and
gets
Emma's
2
team.
guns.
Me and Emma versus mommy.
Okay.
Mommy versus
Mom, you get 2 guns though.
What?
The person by itself gets 2 guns.
Okay.
I'm big tech.
Okay.
Who am I supposed to get all the bullets, though?
We have them all over here.
Joy.
Have one? You have one right here. It's so fun listening to your laugh, Mommy. No! No! She has 2! Where are the nerves? Ow! Mommy, look like... Don't get that. Ah! Wow, the shit! They get stuck sometimes.
Oh, for the love.
I found like 5 over here.
Don't shoot. Stop.
Okay.
Stop. Ceasefire.
Mommy, look how much I found. Look how much I found. Here. Not all of them.
Nuts.
Why won't it shoot?
Sometimes it gets stuck. No, shoot! Mommy, look. Mommy, do like this. If it has 1 in it, it won't shoot by itself. You have to put more in it. Here you go.
Why are you helping the enemy here?
I don't know, because you're my mother. Dad, give me my Nerf gun. Zachary, here you go. Are you dying over there? Daddy, you hit me. Zachary, we have shelter. Yay! Give me. Here. Okay. Mommy, mine's fully loaded. He has the big one, Mommy.
I know.
Headshot.
Don't shoot me in the head. Oh.
I need 1. I need 1. I need 1. Thank you. I hope it's amusing for you guys to watch us. Headshot.
No.
Headshot. Headshot.
Stop.
I hit the balloon. Headshot.
I'm gonna.
I'm gonna be Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a headshot.
Hey!
I was joking.
Don't throw that.
Ah! Get the gobble.
We have 1 bullet.
Oh, Mommy. Here, I'm trying to make you have. Oh, here you go, Mommy. This one's for me. trade? Do you want trade? Hold on. What's trade?
Wow.
Emma, trade. Emma,
Whoa!
Emma, trade.
Hey, that's dangerous.
Trade.
Now.
Hold on. Wait. Let me finish getting my
Okay.
bullets. Hold on.
Let's finish this up.
No.
We can stop recording and then finish.
Okay, hold on.
Did you show us BB-8?
Yeah, we did a birthday haul.
But I want to play.
We did one birthday haul. Now this. Don't hit me.
I'm trying to hit you in the spot. In a certain spot.
That's rude. That's not even funny.
Yeah.
No, it's not. I'm sorry.
Oh, my eyes are tearing up because
Are you
I'm laughing
okay?
so hard.
Are you okay?
Wait, let me shoot you.
No! I didn't mean to shoot you in the face. Hey.
I'll come over there and do it. You shot me in the back! I can't breathe.
Oh no, Bobby! Oh, I got this.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna stop now. I hope it was amusing for you guys to watch us. That's all for today on Emma's Life. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.